So, you've got the Shark PowerDetect 2-in-1 NeverTouch Pro Base, and you're ready to let it do the hard work for you. But first, we need to connect it. And once that's done, your Shark will be all set to clean smarter than ever. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the Shark Clean. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection before proceeding. Press the power button on top of the Shark PowerDetect Vacuum until the indicator lights turn on. The robot will power up and be ready for setup. Open the Shark Clean app and create or log into your account. Then select Add a Robot and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, press and hold the dock/power button on your Shark PowerDetect until the Wi-Fi light begins to blink, indicating it's ready to pair. The app will automatically detect your robot, complete the setup, and connect it to your network. Afterward, you can start or stop cleaning, schedule runs, customize maps, set no-go zones, and monitor maintenance directly from your phone. And that's it! Your Shark PowerDetect 2-in-1 robot NeverTouch Pro Base is now connected and ready to take over the cleaning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below. See you in the next one!